How to ignore and unignore messages in Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to ignore and unignore messages in Messenger. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure you update your Messenger app to the latest version. Then open Messenger, and after that you simply need to tap and hold a particular group chat or conversation. And from this menu you need to select ignore messages and then confirm ignore. The chat moves to spam and sender won't be notified. Alternatively, you can open a chat, tap I button, scroll down and select ignore messages on your privacy. In order to undo ignored messages, you simply need to tap on three-line menu icon at top left corner of the screen and select archive from this menu. At the top, you can easily find out the ignore chat. Simply you can long press the particular chat and select on archive and this will be on ignored. So that is how you can easily ignore and unignore messages in Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.